This tutorial will guide you through the very first use of your Essenza mini machine. Start by rinsing and cleaning the water tank before filling it with only fresh drinking water. Then place the water tank back in place. Place a container of at least 1 liter under the coffee outlet. You can now plug your machine into the outlet. Turn the machine on by pushing either the espresso or lungo button. Lights will blink while the machine is heating up. Ensure there is no capsule in the machine and that the lever is closed. Push the lungo button to rinse the machine. Repeat this operation 3 times. Your Essenza mini machine is now ready to use. Watch the everyday use tutorial video to see how to prepare your coffee on a daily basis. Note that the machine will automatically switch off after 9 minutes. If you want to turn the machine off before the automatic auto-off mode, press both the espresso and lungo buttons simultaneously. With the ultra-compact Essenza Mini, you have full access to the world of Nespresso coffee. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need more information, please visit Nespresso.com.